We're in Clovis, California. We just finished installing a Bradford White 50-gallon natural gas water heater. Starting at the top, you already had brass stubbed out of the wall. Home is copper, I'm imagining, and then nice brass nipple stubbed out on the cold side, brass on the hot. That's what we like to see. So your plumbers did you a favor on that. We'll give you a brand new ball valve, quarter turn on, quarter turn off. Replace the old gate valve there. Brand new connectors. These are Falcon stainless steel connectors, full 3/4 inch inside diameter, down to brass extension. Same thing on the hot side. No valve, it's not required. And then down to a brass extension. So that's all tied in. We did replace your vent. It's as old as the water heater, so just an adjustable 90 and then 2 pieces of pipe going up to your existing sealing bucket. Relief valve comes with the unit, temperature and or pressure relief combination here, and then just a little short piece of pipe and another Falcon stainless steel connector tied in. These are full 3/4 inch inside diameter, so that's good. Up at the top, adjustable strap, upper third, adjustable strap, lower third. We did replace the gas valve, the gas connector. Of course, the burner's lit. You can see here it's on hot. It's approximately 120, and so you can see scalding risk increases with the hotter water. So hot 120, A130, B140, C150, carry out 160. You can crank it up to B. Be mindful if you have little ones in the house. This will, if you crank up to 140, it'll make it feel like this is a 65-gallon water heater, so you get a lot more volume out of it because the water's coming out so hot. Or just to play it safe, leave it hot. Anyways, the burner's lit. A couple hours till you have hot water. Outside of that, this installation is done.